Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I'll show you how to allow install unknown apps in Samsung A18. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.